Hi all, Fat Andy here. Right, God that's hot. That is really hot. It's Friday today and I'll tell you something, that is so hot, that's ridiculous. We were hitting over 35 Celsius earlier. It still is about 34 out there now. It's gone overcast, but the heat is ridiculous. And anyway, apart from that, what we got? Well, I come across these, I'm new, hot dogs, 10 of them, $3.99 from Aldi. And I thought, right, it says some hot dogs, have these with some nice metal rolls, because it's just too hot for everything else. And that, I was actually going to do sausage and mash today with onion gravy, because I really felt like it, but the heat, I just can't, I just really can't. So we're got some metal rolls, so we're gonna have hot dogs. Chat a bit about England game, because that'll be Saturday today when you see this, so England will be playing tonight as such, against Panama. Well, I just hope the game is a lot bloody better than it was the other night, because they're absolutely dreadful. They really were. Right, let's have a closer look at these hot dogs. Right, here we go then. Ashfields made 100% British pork, 10 hot dogs. Supplement pork hot dogs with a hint of smoke and bursting with flavour. As a family pack, it's I'm new, it's suitable for the air fryer, or wherever you want to put it. And traffic light system there. Red tractor on there, gluten free. These are from the chilled section. And they were $3.99 for 10. Right, let's flip them over. Have a little look at what we got here. Smoked flavour pork sausages seasoned with spices and filled into vegetable-based casings. Calcium alginate in brackets there. All appliances vary. Follow the guidelines only. Always wash hands. All surfaces and utensils after handling raw meat for best result. Grill. So I could put them in the air fryer under the grill section, whichever way. Yeah, I'll probably do that. 18 to 20 minutes the same. This product is also suitable for cooking in an air fryer. Please refer to manufacturer's instructions for your air fryer. Right, ingredients. Pork 72%. You can see the rest of the ingredients there. The only allergen I'm picking up there is metabisulfite. Again, the old warning about bones, some may remain. Say that to cover you. Nutritional information is there, if anybody is interested in that. Yeah, suitable for freezing. 1 kilo, $3.99. Not bad. Do they taste good? I don't know. We'll certainly find out. Then we've got the metro rolls, as I say, from Aldi. I've had these before, really nice. I'll do some onions and that, and we'll test these out. I might even do a cider review. In fact, I will do a cider review. And here it is. Taurus Cherry Cider. A blend of perfection. 3.4% ABV. These do come in packs of 4. $2.99 from Aldi. Yeah, you can see everything there, what you need to know. Cider with a cherry flavour. 3.4, 440 ml. Yeah. So, I don't know where it says anything else. Know your limits. Yeah, forget your limits. Yeah, cherry cider from Aldi. Right, we'll crack that open in a minute. Right, before we do the cider, let's just get these sausages open. So I'll get these in the air fryer. And I'm going to just do some onion as well. These are what you're getting. Nice big pork hot dog sausages. So what we're going to do, we'll do 4 of these. There's 10 in there altogether. And I thought, well, if I do 4, that's 1 in the old roll each. And then 1 each to try on its own before we put any sauce on it. Another 6 left in there. Boy will be home later on. He can have a couple if he wants tonight. So I'll put these under the grill section in the air fryer oven. Come back to you in a minute. Right, I just chopped a load of onion up there so we get that fried up. Right, sausage day going on. Let's get this cherry cider right and have a go. Right, here we go then. Cherry cider. So we've had a look at the can. The sausages are on, the hot dogs. Let's see what this bad boy's all smell the cherry straight away. Oh, look at this. Just what you want on a hot day. Have a fur of these for the England game. Oh, there you go. One cherry cider. That just looks like cherryade. Smells like cherryade. Tastes like cherryade, and that's fabulous. That's cold. That's thirst quenching. This is something that you could down. Oh, that's good, that is. That is good. Oh, I'm hot. That is thirst quenching. Try this when you're watching England. As I say, this come from Aldi, $2.99 for 4. Now, I've seen it in there loads of times and stuff like that. But they don't always seem to have it. If you get an opportunity, get it, because that is lovely. It's just nice. It's so easy drinking. I reckon I could drink 12 cans of that, no problem. That's that nice. Cool. That's cold. That's refreshing. That's not too sweet. And if you like the taste of cherry, that is the thing to have. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Right. So that's the old Taurus. $2.99 for 4. Get down and try some. Right, I'm waiting for these hot dogs. I will fry the onions off in a minute, and yeah, we'll get on with it. While we're on here, before I do, think of England then. Oh, they weren't very good, was it? Against what was it, Ghana? Oh dear, oh Lord, what a absolutely dreadful. Same old England. Oh, it looks they weren't singing "Coming Home," were they? After that, whoa, couldn't believe it. Just hope, fingers crossed, they do a lot better tomorrow night. Or tonight, should I say, because it's Saturday when you're watching this. And beat the old Panama. So have a few out tonight and yeah, enjoy it. Come on, England. Right, on with these onions. Right, there it is. The hot dog. I've got onions in that roll. That's mine. That's Kay's. We've got a spare sausage here as well to try. Put some sauce on that and away we go. But yeah, that's looking good. Certainly is. Right, let's get it down us. Right, Kay's here. The sausage, let's have a look at it. Let's get it down here. Just a sec. I'm going to cut through and just see how the skins are on. Too bad. That's what we're getting. Yeah, you can see them there. Right, let's get it back up here. Switch that light off so it doesn't reflect. And move that back a bit. We're there. Right, that'd be hot then, so be careful, Kay. And well, they are hot. Cut that in half again. Tell me what they're like. These are the new sausages from Aldi's. Smells smoky. Quite nice, isn't it? What do you think?
Yeah.
Quite meaty. 72% pork, I think it come up at. That's not a bad flavour, really, is it?
No, that isn't.
Very nice. Meaty as well, isn't he? Skins aren't too hard on them. Firm, but not too hard.
Too tough.
Yeah, that's not mushy, is it, at all?
No.
Not sausages, then. Well, they're hot.
They are hot. They are the nice sausages.
Right, we'll try one.
Skins are a little bit dry, but they're...
Well, I've grilled them. You can fry them if you want. I've grilled them. We've got a bit of tomato sauce on this hot dog. We thought we had some mustard, but we didn't, did we?
No.
You used it all.
Yeah.
Not really.
I don't know what happened to it.
I don't know. We'll have to get some more. It's a hot dog with a load of tomato sauce and onions in. And we're using these sub rolls here we've had before, which are very, very nice. Get a bit of sausage on that. Paul, what sauce do you like? You know, I'm going to be honest with you. You might not need sauce on them because they're quite tasty, aren't they? But I'll go on the old traditional route with a bit of tomato sauce with the onion. Yeah. That is bloody lovely. They'd be good on a barbecue, wouldn't they? Them sausages. I would have barbecued them tonight, but it was only me and Kaylee and that at the moment, so, and with grandson all day, so it's getting a bit late in the day and everything. But yeah, these something like this would be great for the football tonight, you know, the old England game and that. They'd go well. They're nice. Well, what do you rate them? About 8 out of 10, me. For sausages.
I was thinking about that as well.
Yeah, I'd have them again, would you?
Yeah.
I think they're good value. $3.99 for a kilo.
Yeah.
You know, I do honestly think they're good value. Don't think you can go too far wrong with them. If you want them a little bit, grilling them, there wasn't any fat come out of them. I didn't see any fat on that tray at all.
There wasn't?
No, none on there at all.
That was all right
So,
then.
you know, I'm just sweating there at the moment. So, yeah, they're pretty damn good. Can't knock them. Definitely not. Oh, yeah, they're nice. Very, very good. Yeah, about 8 out of 10, I reckon. Give them a go.
Oh. And bloody onions are steaming hot. Nearly burnt my bloody lips.
After I put them in a roll, put at the bottom and then put the sausage on top, that held the heat. Yeah, give them a go. $3.99 for a kilo. New out at Aldi.
You get 10 sausages altogether.
Yeah, there's 10 in there. And for that price, they're quite big and thick, as you've seen.
Yeah, they are.
Fantastic for the barbecue.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, thumbs up if you like this. Give us your comments below. Good luck to England tonight when they play. Just hope they do better than they did against Ghana. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. Catch you, Louis Pete, the next one.
Yeah, see ya.
Come on, England.
Bye.
Cheers. Bye.